Children, today we are going to learn Unit 2, Chapter number 15, Young Brave Hearts. Children, in this lesson, we will see about some brave children who have saved lives of others without caring about their own life. And they were presented National Bravery Awards. The Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on Friday, 24 January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls, and the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year-old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Students, in this paragraph, we have studied that the Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on 24th January 2014, that is 2 days before Republic Day. And the Bharat Award was conferred upon an 8.5-year-old small girl, that is Mahika Gupta from Delhi. On June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly, flash flood struck. The area was filled with muddy flood water. Mahika could not see her parents or relatives, but heard her 4-year-old brother crying. Mahika did not know how to swim. She was hit with stones carried by water, but bravely she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. There she held on tightly to her brother for hours. When she saw a light, she waved for help. After that, they were both rescued. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. Students, we have heard that in 2013 there was a sudden flood in Kedarnath. It had become a great loss to people's lives and property. Here is a story of Mahika Gupta. On June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly, a flash flood struck and that area was filled with muddy water. And Mahika could not see her parents, but she heard her 4-year-old brother crying. She did not know how to swim, but still she waited for her brother, and when she found her brother, she dragged him out and held him tightly for hours together. Then she saw a light. She waved her hand for help, and in this way the both brother and sister were rescued. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and also her brother's life. For her this brave deed, she was awarded the National Bravery Award on 24th January 2014. So children, bravery is in doing the right thing even when one is afraid. We become just by performing just actions. We become brave by performing brave actions. Children, now let us see the next story. This is a story of Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra, who has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. He was on his way back from school on 11th August 2012. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were two girls in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. Children, this is the picture of Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra. He has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. On 11th August 2012, Shubham was back to home from school. Suddenly, he saw that a van had burst into fire. People crowded there, but nobody went to see what had happened. But Shubham could not wait. He rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the door was too hot. Then Shubham broke out the window and opened the door from inside and pulled out the two girls sitting in the burning van, and thus saved the lives of those two girls. Every year, National Bravery Awards are given to young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspapers or on the internet. Come on, children. Now let's see this beautiful message. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. By Nelson Mandela. Now we will see the hard words and its meanings. Number 1. Conferred. To give somebody an award. Number 2. Exemplary. Providing a good example for people to copy. Number 3. Burst into flames. Caught fire suddenly. Number 4. Wade. To walk with an effort in water or mud. Number 5. Outstanding. Extremely good, excellent. Number 6. Inspiring. Encouraging one to do something. Hope students you have understood this lesson. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye and happy Diwali to all of you. Stay safe.